Look at this person's name. Good morning, you guys. Today's my first day of class, first day of the spring semester, still online school. I just had my first class. It was supply chain management. The professor, like, he seemed cool, but also like low-key bitter and also kind of aggressive, but also like good, you know. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you're not already. But today's my first day of the semester. It's 10:22. That class ran long. It's still going, but I was like, it's over. I can check it off my to-do list. Oh, I was trying to be all dramatic for you guys, but like, look how long that check mark is. Today is a Monday, and my class is for Monday. I have a class early in the morning, and then I have a huge gap, and then I have 2 afternoon classes. And I don't love afternoon classes, but they were like the only option I had, so I was like, okay, whatever. And then so I have Monday, Wednesday, Thursday classes, so no Tuesday and Friday, which is nice. I have 2 little assignments that I think I'm going to do right now, because this is like my big gap in between my classes. It's like 5-hour gap, I think, so I can definitely get a lot done during those times. But since it's the first week, we don't really have a ton of assignments to do. I just have a quiz and then an honor code. Well, actually, I could do a lot of stuff. Now I'm looking at it and I'm like, well, I could actually, but do I want to? I should. So I think I'm first gonna start out with this syllabus quiz. And no way, that's gonna bother me. No, let's do this syllabus quiz. Oh, this is so easy. Oh my gosh. Well, we'll see. I'm only on the first question. Pass the test. I'm not kidding when I say that it took me 2 seconds, but I also finished this. All I had to do was select a button and say yes, so it was super easy. Now I'm like, okay, I can maybe work on stuff that I planned for Tuesday. I guess I just didn't realize how big of a gap I have between my classes. I can get a lot done. I feel like the first week of school is always so stressful because you're setting up a routine, so you're not really sure like what should I do when, and then you're also like, are these quizzes going to be easy or hard? Because when you've been doing them for a while, you know exactly what to expect. The first times you don't, so yeah, overthinking it. I'm still in my pajamas. I probably won't change out of them. We're doing another honor code acknowledgement right now. Loading. Oh, it's so washed out. I have not used this in like a year. Probably needs a little, oh, what happened? Time to introduce myself for one of my classes. I never understand why they make us do this. It's not like I'm ever gonna talk to anyone in these classes. Two hours into the day and I'm already sitting on my bed to do my homework. I told myself I was gonna sit at my desk, but that didn't work out. This is also really confusing me because I didn't buy this textbook and I don't know how I have it. I'm not complaining at all. But I'm like, how did I, is this like a trial run? Stop doing this. It keeps telling me I don't want to. No, I don't want to do this. But anyways, I'm getting comfy on my bed and I'm gonna read this textbook before I take the quiz, because I have no idea if this quiz is going to be on like Quizlet or Chegg, or if like I actually need to read this. That is the worst part of the beginning of the semester, is you don't know what to expect. And then you actually have to do the work and more work. I just finished this assignment. I swear my memory has just like decreased so much in the month we had off. It was using a textbook and I was answering questions and I kept having to go back and forth. I could not remember the questions. I kept having to take photos of them because literally I couldn't remember it. I don't know what's wrong with my memory. I think I'm gonna take a break right now and make some lunch. It's almost noon and I'm kind of starving, so I think that's a good idea. I've been kind of procrastinating because I just like am kind of anxious about like the format of all these exams and quizzes and homework and stuff, but I need to stop doing that. But I'm gonna get food and eat, so hopefully that will just be better. It'll be fine. After I made food, we went to Trader Joe's. There's a few other things that I needed to get that I kind of forgot to get, or they were sold out when I went, and my roommates were like, we're going, and I was like, can I come? And then I worked on a little sponsorship. Not sponsored. It was for this book, so I took the photo. Good book. I already started it. Good book. Now we have another class back to back. My video goes live in 10 minutes while my class is starting, so we're gonna multitask and respond to comments while she's going over the syllabus. Hopefully that's cool. I feel like I should not be scheduling my videos to should definitely not be scheduling my videos to be going up while I'm in class. Okay, I should really set up my class. Let's get this class. Oh, Apple Pencil fell. Okay, Google Chrome. What class class is this? I don't even know. Yeah, it's this class. Launched meeting. Okay, now this is scaring me because when it says this, I'm like, is this their office hours that I'm accidentally at? Because one time I went to this lady's office hours by accident instead of her class. Well, I don't think this guy realizes he doesn't have his camera on. Poor guy. He's not even going over the syllabus and he's so hard to understand because he's standing so far away from the mic.
The globalization process activity occurs. And as we discuss, this will become clearer.
Waiting for my next class to start. We have back-to-back classes. Not excited about it, but I'm finishing my lunch because I wasn't super hungry. Well, I was super hungry, but I was like getting full, and I've been trying to like listen to my body more and not overeat and like not eat while I'm not hungry just because I feel like I need to finish it. But I was getting hungry. We have like 2 hours till dinner, so I was like, I'll finish that. And then I got these. I got these from Trader Joe's. They're all right. I want to get them, but I know I'll eat the entire package in one day between like the Reese's, like this holiday ones. Like right now they have the hearts for Valentine's Day. I cannot think of anything today. Like I have no, ooh, my professor, she's sharing her screen. Hello, Naomi. But those are so much better than these. But I want to try these out and I already had so many today. I don't even like them, but I keep eating them. Well, I do like them, but not as much. Lunch and snack kind of.
First,
there's
I'm
a really hot
go
guy in this class.
And then I'm gonna break you up into break rooms and have you guys introduce yourselves and then a lecture at the end. So my official office got
my professor was in the movie 16 Candles. That's her now. Basically 6 o'clock, just finished my last class for the day. Let me show you the sunset. I better not be missing the sunsets due to this class. That's gonna be a deal breaker. Not really, but you know what I mean. Remember how I was like, oh my god, there's this guy, he's super cute. He was in my breakout room. We were like, oh, what'd you guys do over break? And he's like, I got married. Are all the cute ones married? Asking for a friend. But I finished everything. Woo! But I need to add more stuff to these days. Currently in my car, I'm about to go to my friend's apartment to watch The Bachelor. My roommates are doing like their sorority chapter, and since I'm not in a sorority anymore, I am gonna go like hang out with friends, so it's gonna be super fun. I'm excited. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, thumbs it up. And make sure you're subscribed and follow me on Instagram. I have a ton of more exciting back to school, college productive week day in my life video coming up. So if you guys are excited, make sure to subscribe. I love you guys so much and I hope you had a great first day of your spring semester and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.